Hi, my little cubs. It's Miss Honey Bear. Welcome back to story time. Gather around, take a seat, because we're about to read Peppa Pig's Silly Sniffles. And don't forget to stay till the end because we'll be doing another surprise. This book looks so fun to read. I'm very excited. It's called Peppa Pig Silly Sniffles. That's the title, the name of the book. The person who wrote the book is called J.P. Peppa. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right here. That's the author. Now, this book is actually based off a TV show. I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but it's Peppa Pig. And there she is. Hi, Peppa. Hi. And it looks like she has some silly sniffles. She might have a stuffed nose or a cold. I wonder what this book could be about. Maybe it's about her going to the doctor. Oh, it looks like we have a doctor here. Oh, and the throat and the tongue sticking out. That looks so interesting. Oh, looks like Peppa Pig might be the doctor. She's wearing a white suit, just like this little rabbit. Let's keep reading and find out more. Peppa Pig and the Silly Sniffles. Sniff, sniff. Peppa Pig and Susie Sheep. This is Susie Sheep, and this is Peppa Pig. Hi, Peppa Pig. Hi, Susie Sheep. They are playing store. Susie Sheep stocks the shelves. Peppa takes the money. They're playing store. That looks so fun. Like a grocery store. Oh, wow. Or a clothing store or a shoe store. They're playing store. It looks like they might be playing toy store. They've got lots of toys on their shelf. I see a pretend phone. I see a little ducky, quack, 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 quack. I see a train, choo, choo, chugga, 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 choo, 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 choo. I see a box. I see a car, beep, 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 beep. That looks like the car Peppa drives with her mama and papa. Oh, and I see some blocks. Those are some fun blocks. This looks like the register where she takes the money. Peppa takes the money. She's holding a dollar bill, it looks like, and there's some coins on the table. I also see some teeth. Some teeth. That's so silly. And I see a shell. Wow, that is so cool. Another thing I noticed is in this window, we have lots of numbers. I see a 4, I see a 5, I see a 6, I see a 7, I see an 8, and I see a 9. That is so fun. This is a fun job, says Peppa. That looks like a fun job. I can't believe it. There's her money. It looks like it's a $5 bill. And here's her teeth and her shell. Maybe little Susie Sheep is giving her teeth and shell for $5. She's trying to buy them. Maybe. Let's keep reading. Danny Dog is their first customer. Woof, 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 woof. Hi, Danny Dog. First customer. Hello, could I have some cookies, please? Cookies. I love cookies. So does Danny Dog. He's trying to buy some cookies. We don't have any cookies, says Susie. Here's Susie. Here's Danny Dog. But we have a toy telephone. Wow. I see she's holding the toy telephone from earlier. And I see a new house. I didn't see that before. That is so fun. She must have stocked the shelf. I see a chalkboard with lots of letters written on there, all the way from A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So fun. And I see some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like on our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fun. Candy Cat is next. Danny Dog, Candy Cat. May I have a loaf of bread, please? Does it look like they might have some bread? No, it doesn't. Where could she get bread? Could she get bread at a clothing store or a grocery store? I would get bread at a grocery store. That's where we buy bread. So yummy. We don't have any bread, says Susie, but here's a toy house. Oh, wow. There's the register. And there's Susie, and there's Peppa. Hi, Peppa. Hi, Susie. Oh, Candy Cat. She looks surprised. Oh, she looks so surprised. Peppa looks very happy, and so does Susie. They look so happy. Wow. Let's keep reading. More and more customers come in. Rebecca Rabbit buys a carrot. Hi, Rebecca Rabbit. Oh, there's Susie. What's she holding? She's holding the carrot. Oh, she's going to give it to little Rebecca Rabbit because she bought it. So Peppa's going to take her money and Susie's going to give her the carrot. So yummy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. She's going to eat the carrot. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Zoe Zebra asks for apples. Red apples. And Susie and Peppa sell her a toy truck. Did they have any red apples? No, I don't see any red apples on the shelves. But they have a toy truck. Oh no. Peppa doesn't look too happy. Oh no. Being a shopkeeper is hard work, says Peppa. She's been working very hard. Does Zoe Zebra? She looks so surprised. Does she look surprised to you? So surprised. She didn't really get her apple, but she did get a toy truck. She's probably surprised because that's not what she was expecting, huh? A little surprised. I like this toy truck. Beep, 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 beep. We can honk the toy truck. Wow. Let's keep reading. Pedro Pony comes next. Oh, look, there's more numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So fun. Oh, what else new do you see on the shelves? I see a new ball. I did not see that ball before, but I see it now. I also see some crayons. Hi, crayons. Nice to see you there. Oh, it looks like something's missing. They must have sold that already. Achoo! Sniff, sniff. Cough, cough. Pedro has the sniffles. Oh no, he must be getting sick. Peppa and Susie look very worried. Ooh, so worried. Poor Pedro. Peppa and Susie don't have anything in their shop for him. What could Pedro want if he's sick? Maybe he could want some tissues, or some medicine, or some water. Maybe. Susie says, Peppa, let's play a new game. We can help Pedro feel better. Oh, look, Pedro's sticking his tongue out. And he's wearing some glasses. Hi, Pedro. Oh, Peppa looks very excited. I think she's excited about playing a new game to help Pedro. Let's keep reading. Oh, wow. Peppa and Susie go to the dress-up boxes and change into their new outfits. What do we think they're going to change into? Who helps take care of sick people? Is it a dentist? No. Is it a vet? No. Is it a truck driver? No. It's a nurse or a doctor. Wow. Then Dr. Peppa and Nurse Susie go to work. I like their outfits. They are wearing a stethoscope. Susie has a stethoscope. They are both wearing hats. Oh, wow. They're off to go help Pedro. Let's have a look, Pedro, says Dr. Peppa. Peppa examines the patient. Oh, this is serious, she says. Oh, he looks very worried. Oh, no. Oh, no. Peppa does too. She's like, ooh, this is serious, she said. She's taking the stethoscope and putting it on his heart so she can hear his heartbeat. Wow. Have you ever been to the doctor? They like to listen to our heart and our lungs and take care of us. When they examine us, they like to ask us questions and use a stethoscope, listen to our heart and our lungs, look in our mouth, see if we have any spots on our tongues or tonsils, anything in the back. They like to examine us, make sure we're all good to go. What should we do? Says Nurse Susie. Oh, she looks so nervous and scared. What should we do? Oh, no. She put her little briefcase down. There's her hat still on her head. Peppa has an idea. She knows just what to do to make Pedro feel better. Oh! What is Peppa holding? It looks like she's holding a Band-Aid. If I get an owie or I'm bleeding, I like to put Band-Aids over me. That helps me feel better. Oh, wow. He looks like he's a little unsure, but Peppa looks like it's a great idea. How's that, Pedro? Asked Susie. Oh, that's so silly. He has so many Band-Aids all over him. I see a Band-Aid on his ear. I see a Band-Aid on his cheek. I see a Band-Aid on his body. And I see a Band-Aid on his leg. I see another Band-Aid on his body. He has 2 Band-Aids on his body. Total, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Band-Aids. Cough, cough. Don't worry, Pedro, says Peppa. I have another idea. Oh, it looks like she's putting an eye patch on Pedro. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. Now he can't see out of one eye. Are you feeling better yet, Pedro? Asked Susie. Achoo! Achoo! Can you sneeze? Can you cough? Good job. Achoo! Oh, he's sticking his tongue out. Tongue out. Oh no, she looks worried still. Susie is worried. There's the store. Hi, store. Looks like we're back here. Okay, I have an extra special treatment, says Peppa. Great idea, Peppa, says Susie. You are a very good doctor. I wonder what they're going to do. What could this be? I don't know. Let's keep looking. Achoo! Sniff! Sniff! Cough. Cough. Oh, this is what Peppa was talking about. There it is. She was talking about an arm sling. An arm sling holds your arm up so you don't have to move it in case you hurt it. Do you think that's going to make him feel better? I don't know. I don't know if Peppa and Susie are sure. Let's keep reading. Peppa and Susie try again. They are giving Pedro a cast. But Peppa, says Pedro, I don't have a broken leg. I have a... Oh, they're giving him a cast. When do we give people casts? When their leg is broken or their arm is broken or some body part is broken, right? But he doesn't have one. He doesn't have a broken arm or leg. Does he need one? Probably not. Have you ever had a cast on? I have. I broke my pinky one time and had to have a cast on my hand. It was bright pink. Oh, the Sniffles. I don't have a broken leg. I have the Sniffles. Achoo! Achoo! Sniff! Sniff! There's the cat. Hi, Candy Cat. Oh, look, it looks like she's holding some new coloring crayons or markers. I wonder what she's going to do with them next. Let's keep reading. But everyone wants to see and sign Pedro's cast. She was using the markers to sign Pedro's cast that they put on him for his broken leg. But he didn't have a broken leg. That's so silly. Candy Cat draws a flower. There's the flower. It's a pink flower. I do like the flower. Danny Dog, woof, woof. Candy Cat, meow, meow. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Where? Oh, there's the parrot. Zoe Zebra draws Mr. Potato. Hi, Mr. Potato. They're so little on the little cast. So little. And Dr. Peppa draws a muddy puddle. There's the muddy puddle, big and brown. He looks very happy, though. Pedro really likes it, it looks like. Oh, and so does Peppa. They both look so happy. Oh, I think I have the sniffles too, says Candy Cat. Can you help me, Dr. Peppa? Yes, me too, says Danny Dog. I need a cast. Do they need a cast if they have sniffles? No, probably not, huh? I think they just really like the coloring on the cast. They would love to join in too. Let's see what Peppa says. Everyone wants Dr. Peppa to help. Wow! Oh, there's a cast. There's a cast. It looks like Pedro is helping put on the dog's cast. That's so silly. Oh my goodness, there's Peppa. She's helping put it on the cat. And here's the zebra, Zoe zebra, Candy cat. They are sitting together and they both have a cast. Oh, and so does Rabbit. She has a cast now too. How many casts do we have? Let's count. I see 1, I see 2, I see 3, I see 4, and I see 5. 5 casts. That is so fun. I still have the sniffles, says Pedro, but I feel much better. Thank you, Nurse Susie. Thank you, Dr. Peppa. Oh, wow, he looks so happy. He has an eye patch, he has Band-Aids on, he has a cast, and he has a sling. That is so silly, huh? But he feels much better. That is so good. And they all look so happy. Bye-bye, Susie. Bye-bye, Peppa. Bye-bye, Pedro. That was a good book. I really enjoyed reading this. I hope you enjoyed it just as much. Now wait, I have a surprise for today. Let's take a look. In this bag. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. What could be inside? I don't know. Let's check. Let's look inside the bag. It's a pig. Hi, pig. Hi, pig. Oh, wow. He has a snout and he's pink, just like Peppa. Like Peppa Pig. That is so cool. Look at his little tail. That is so cute and it twists. Wow. Hi, Pig. Isn't he cute? That was such a fun surprise. Thank you for joining me for story time today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, little cubs.